Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO X300 and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings. And here we have to scroll all the way down to find digital well-being and parental controls. So here we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. In my case, almost 45 minutes, and most of the time I've spent on the settings than camera. So to check some further details, you have to tap inside the graph and you will be transferred to the dashboard where you can check the time in specific days of the week. You can compare them, you can change screen time to notifications and times opened, and under it you've got the list of apps which you've been using. You can also tap on the separate app and again you will have the dashboard, but this time it is tightly connected with this one app. I also wanted to quickly discuss ways to disconnect, not all of them, but app timers and focus. So let's go to app timers. Here basically you can set the timer for a specific app. If you will decide that you're spending too much time on the screen on this particular app, you can find it in the list and tap on this hourglass icon. For example, let's set the timer for 1 hour and 30 minutes. It means that I will be able to use the app for 1 hour and 30 minutes during a day, and after that the app will be blocked, and at midnight the timer for camera will reset, and tomorrow again I will be able to use it for 1 hour and 30 minutes. Moreover, we can set it for 0 hours and 0 minutes. Tap on OK, it will be immediately grayed out, and after attempting to open it, I'll see the information that the app is paused, the timer ran out, and tomorrow it will start again, but obviously we know that it won't because we've got 0 hours and 0 minutes. So I personally believe that it is a nice way to try to limit the time you're spending on the app, because obviously you can quickly remove the timer. However, still we've got this information after trying to open it, and maybe thanks to it we will think like, oh, maybe I really shouldn't enter this app and unblocking it. Alright, so this is one of the ways to disconnect, and the second one is, for example, focus. So if you're receiving a lot of notifications from specific apps, for example from social media or other apps, you can simply mark them. Set a schedule, so you can choose specific days of the week and specific hours, and after tapping on set, your device will limit the notifications from the apps which are listed right here in the distracting apps, which is nice because you can simply focus on different things or different actions like spending time with your family, or working, or studying, or whatever you wish to do. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.